Hello, I am Sarah McClure, your luxury travel advisor, and today we're off on an incredible adventure here in beautiful Roatán, Honduras. Get ready to meet some of the island's most charming locals. We're talking monkeys, sloths, and iguanas. I'll be taking you along on Craig's Roatán Shore Excursion Tour to show you exactly what to expect, what makes it special, and why it's a great way to spend the day in port. After disembarking in Mahogany Bay, we met our local tour guide and climbed aboard a bright green bus and made the 20-minute drive to Arches Iguana Reserve. There were iguanas everywhere. Big ones, little ones, some lounging in the trees and others strolling right across the path. What makes this stop so unique is how close you can get to them.
These babies will mostly stay green until mostly 5 to 6 years. After then, when they start to get 7 to 8, they start to lose all green. They start getting brown, orange, red, and also with a copper. You guys can see here, like I was saying, babies will stay green. The main reason is they mostly camouflage themselves from predators. The worst predator for a baby green iguana is the weather. So here with green iguanas, they need the sun at all times to digest their food. Like I was saying, males will be the really big ones, the boys will be the really big ones, the big spikes, big head, big body, and big cheeks. Like I was saying, guys, the ones that want to be petted, they'll lean the back into it, into your hand. Then the ones that do not want to be petted, they'll walk away.
The staff even provided food, so we got to hand feed them. Next, we made the short 5-minute drive to Daniel Johnson's Monkey and Sloth Hangout, one of the highlights of my day. As soon as we arrived, we spotted this adorable little sloth just hanging out, taking her own sweet time in the trees. She was completely unbothered by the world around her, and it was such a joy to pause and be in this moment. Then it was our turn to hold a sloth, but first we were given a few simple instructions.
Right there for me, okay? So guys, for the sloths, as cute as they are, we cannot hold them all day. Everybody gets one turn only. It's for the health of the animal. They require 18 to 20 hours of sleep a day, so we cannot overhold them. What we do want you to do is interlock your fingers like this, elbows out, keep it 2 to 3 inches from your body, okay? Jordan, walk right into Jordan. Hands right on the butt, right above the tip.
When it was finally my turn, I couldn't stop smiling. Seeing that sweet little face up close, feeling her coarse fur, and having her snuggle right in was truly unforgettable. This is one of the moments that makes me love traveling. After our sweet and slow moment with the sloths, it was time to meet the monkeys, and they definitely brought the energy. Tony, a spider monkey, quickly stole the show, always on the lookout for a treat.
Just show you Tony, because Tony was our very first rescue. He's the one you have to thank in order to be able to interact with all the animals today. Now these guys, they don't have any thumbs. If you look at Tony's hands, you're going to see 4 main long fingers just like this, lack opposable thumbs, but that is why they have this long, strong tail that they're always making use of to balance themselves, string around, and it is padded so they can grab stuff and not let it slip whenever they're trying to grab anything out of the enclosure. Hi, handsome. Hi. Tony knows I usually have a snack for him, but I did forget Tony's snack. I didn't bring him a banana this time. So he's going to be a little upset with me when I try walking away from him. He's going to whistle at me.
Wait.
I know. I'm sorry. I'll bring you another one. His dad. Oh, okay. That is so cool. Okay, thank you, Tony. Monkeys will jump on you, climb on your shoulders and heads, crawl all over you. No hats, no glasses, no dangly or poop earrings. Other than that, nothing in the pocket. Get out of the pocket, Meredith. Rescued 80-85% of them are rescued. Newer rescues, guys, these are night monkeys or kinkajous. They don't have a proper enclosure yet. We still want to make it under these big old oak trees because these animals are nocturnal. They need a lot of shade, and it'll go right here, but it's going to have a lot of logs just like you see over there with a hole cut through them so they can nap throughout the day. We try not to bother them too much because, like I said, they're usually sleeping like you saw them doing a second ago, but they don't seem to mind waking up for a snack. I'll give them a little biscuit. What you will see is with newer rescues, as soon as they grab a little snack, they will run right back inside into their enclosure. You can tell that these guys weren't treated the best before coming here. We try to work with them as best as we can, sitting out here, giving them apples, bananas, other slices of fruits, but they tend to run right back inside.
It was time to meet the macaws. These stunning birds were absolutely beautiful with their vibrant feathers and fun personalities. The caretakers allowed us to take photos, and it was incredible to see how calm and gentle they were. What an amazing day we had in Roatán, from feeding iguanas and cuddling sloths to being climbed on by playful monkeys and meeting gorgeous macaws and parrots. This tour was the perfect mix of fun, education, and unforgettable moments. If you enjoyed our tour today, remember to hit the like and subscribe button for more adventures and travel experiences. And when you're ready to start planning your own Caribbean getaway, whether it's a family vacation, honeymoon, or luxury cruise, I'd love to help you make it effortless and extraordinary. Please reach out anytime and let's start planning your next adventure.